How to manage privacy settings on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple to manage your privacy settings. Just go to the maps. Now click on your profile picture here in the top. Click on it. It will take you to this page. Now click on your profile and click on edit profile. Now click on profile and privacy. And right here you can manage your privacy settings very easy and fast. You can turn off or turn on anything you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.